So we just got to our hotel. We are at Staybridge Suites in Denver, Colorado. We flew into Denver and then we got a shuttle bus over here. So far the hotel seems really nice. The room is small, but it's definitely sufficient. It has a little kitchenette if you were going to stay for a little while and wanted to have any meals or have something in the refrigerator here. That's awesome. So tomorrow begins our big day. We're getting a rental car and headed to Estes Park to explore and go hiking in the Rocky Mountain National Park. Okay, we are at the Staybridge Suite in Denver, Colorado, and we are walking toward our room. So far, it looks like the place is pretty nice. The staff was super nice so far. The shuttle came and picked us up from the airport, and it was free. We just left a tip. We're looking for our room. We're going to 238. So far, it looks like it's a pretty nice hotel, especially to be an airport hotel. Alright, I guess we got the last room. 238, we are at the end of the hallway. So we are at 238. Alright, so initial reactions, if I can figure out how to turn the light on. Alright, so come in. First thing I noticed was that there's a refrigerator, a big refrigerator, just as you walk in. So if you're staying for a little while, the little kitchenette area is pretty nice, actually. I like those cabinets. Little work area, little seating area, and another work area, and then the bed. And let's get around. We're in the dark again. We'll find some lights. And then, of course, the bathroom. Oh, I like the shower. It's a nice shower. And that's a nice big door. And then closets with extra linens. And actually some shelves to put your stuff on if you want to. All right, so again, Staybridge Suites, Denver, Colorado. It is 6:30 in the morning. We are now leaving the hotel and heading toward Estes Park, and we're going to the mountains this morning. Steve got us a timed entry the day before, which is kind of hard to get, so we're kind of excited. He got us one where we can enter the park from 10 to 12. So we've got to go and get over there. It's a couple hours drive from here in Denver, and we're headed that way, and we'll let you know how it goes.